stop scrolling, because Honda just dropped an ATV that could completely change the entry-level off-road game in 2026. Welcome back to Wheelwise Joe, and today we're talking about the brand new 2026 Honda TRX200SX, a machine built for riders who want real Honda reliability, simple power, and serious fun without the intimidation factor. This ATV is designed to sit perfectly between beginner and experienced rider territory, making it one of the most interesting releases Honda has made in years. The 2026 TRX200SX comes powered by a refined 200 cubic centimeters air-cooled four-stroke engine that focuses on smooth, predictable power delivery rather than raw aggression. Honda clearly aimed this ATV at riders who want confidence on trails, farms, or open terrain without worrying about sudden power spikes. Throttle response is clean, controlled, and ideal for learning proper riding technique while still being fun enough for experienced users. One of the biggest highlights is Honda's legendary durability. The TRX200SX features a strong steel frame engineered to handle rough trails, uneven ground, and daily use. Whether you're riding through mud, gravel, or hard-packed dirt, this ATV feels planted and stable. The suspension setup is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps easily while maintaining control at higher speeds. Honda also focused heavily on rider ergonomics. The seating position is upright and natural, making long rides far less tiring. The handlebars are positioned for easy steering, and the footwells provide excellent grip and balance. This makes the TRX200SX a great choice for younger riders moving up from smaller ATVs or adults who want a lightweight, manageable machine. Another standout feature is the simple and reliable drivetrain. Honda keeps things user-friendly, minimizing complicated electronics and focusing on proven mechanical reliability. This means easier maintenance, lower ownership costs, and fewer headaches in the long run. Exactly what Honda fans expect. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2026 TRX200SX includes responsive brakes, predictable handling, and a balanced weight distribution that helps prevent tip-overs. It's an ATV that encourages confidence rather than fear, which is crucial for newer riders. What really makes the TRX200SX special is how versatile it is. It's perfect for trail riding, light utility work, learning off-road skills, or just having fun on weekends. It doesn't try to be the fastest or the biggest. It tries to be the smartest choice. If you're looking for a dependable, fun, and practical ATV that carries Honda's reputation into 2026, the TRX200SX deserves serious attention. Let us know what you think about this new Honda ATV in the comments. And if you enjoy content like this, make sure to stick with Wheelwise Joe for more ATV updates, reviews, and off-road insights.